So we're really excited. We see, you hear the cats? We are really excited. We are on our way to Yacht Haven RV Park. We just left Miami, and for the first time in 5 weeks, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks, we are getting out of the Thousand Trails Network and are going to be staying at this beautiful, or at least online it's beautiful. Let's start with that. Staying at this beautiful yacht marina that's also an RV park. So the RV's parked like right on the water. We're really excited to sort of live a week in luxury, if you can do that, I guess, at a campground. I don't know. So it should be fun. Stay tuned. Anubis is really excited. Like, he cannot wait to put the patio down and bask in the sunshine next to a yacht. Hear him? He's just dying to get there. And one of the other best parts about coming to Fort Lauderdale is you get to see friends.
Hey! Welcome to Wilton Manors, Florida, the vibrant heart of LGBTQ+ life and fun in the sun. Start your day with a leisurely brunch at one of the local hotspots. After brunch, it's time to hit the streets for some bar hopping. Wilton Manors is known for its fun, with plenty of bars offering great cocktails, live music, and friendly faces. Take a stroll around, enjoy the beautiful parks, check out local art, and maybe even spot some unique shops. The fun doesn't end there. After soaking in the sights, it's time for a short drive to Haulover Beach in Miami, where the sun is shining and the sand is calling your name. Whether you're sipping cocktails or soaking up the sunshine, Wilton Manors has something for everyone. Let's talk about Yacht Haven, but first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get informed each time we have a new video come out. And friends, don't forget,
Be you, be happy, be free.
Yacht Haven Marina and RV Park is located in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This gem offers a unique experience where luxury meets RV travel. This RV park features spacious full hookup sites, many with breathtaking waterfront views of the intracoastal waterway. Whether you're traveling in a motorhome or a camper, you'll enjoy the tropical and serene setting. Take advantage of the luxury amenities, including a heated pool, hot tubs, and a fitness center. Stay connected with their free Wi-Fi and even enjoy some conveniences like laundry facilities and bicycle rentals. They have an elegant clubhouse, and there is shopping and dining just a bit away. Although it does cost a pretty penny to reserve a site at this RV park, it is truly worth it. The views are amazing, and it is so well kept that it is the most beautiful stay. Just a stone's throw away from Yacht Haven is Secret Woods Nature Center. This park is nestled along the banks of the New River. It is 57 acres, and it is a peaceful retreat and an incredible opportunity to explore South Florida's native wildlife and lush landscapes. Founded in 1982, Secret Woods is one of the county's oldest nature preserves. The park's history is rooted in its commitment to conservation and education, preserving a diverse ecosystem of wetlands, mangroves, and tropical hardwoods. Discover the beauty of the park through several scenic trails, including the raised boardwalk that winds through the mangrove forest. Whether you're hiking or biking, these easy-to-navigate paths offer an immersive experience in nature. Secret Woods is a haven for nature lovers, offering activities like birdwatching, kayaking, and wildlife observation. With its diverse flora and fauna, it is a perfect place for photographers, nature enthusiasts, and anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors. If you've been following our journey, you know that our beloved cat of 16 years, Anubis, passed away at the end of January. We are still heartbroken over this loss. While in Fort Lauderdale, we had to take him to the vet, and this was one of the many visits that he had. If you'd like to know more about Anubis and our many years of love with him, please check out the video linked here.
So real quick, if you have a Brinkley Model G, I think all the Model Gs have this suspension. It's called the Dexter Easy Flex torsion suspension. This is must-do maintenance that the dealership didn't tell us about upon delivery. Thankfully, I met someone at the campground in Miami who gave us a full detail of the maintenance that you have to do on these wet bolts. Perform this maintenance, we're going to need some red grease, some nitrile gloves, my crocodile cleaning wipes, and a good grease gun. I prefer the hand pump style. Just easier for me. There are 6 Zerk fittings that we're going to be putting grease into today. 1 behind each of the 4 bolts for the leaf springs, and then 1 on the top left and 1 on the top right of the actual body itself. First thing is I like to use my Gorilla wipes and just clean off all the old grease and old dirt, grime that's, attached itself to this suspension over our travels. So it also lets me know as I'm performing the maintenance when I have just enough, the right amount of grease coming out of the fittings themselves. So just for visibility and to make sure nothing's plugged up, it's always best to clean it off. We're going to start with the top right fitting. We pump some grease into these top valves at the top. Again, it's just a regular Zerk fitting. There's no drain bolt that needs to be removed, so it's just simply applying the grease to the top right and to the top left of the main body itself. You'll know you have enough grease in when you see just a little bit come out the top of the cracker. Once again, you'll see and witness as I fill it up with grease just a little bit. See, the red grease just starts to come out of that flex joint. So it's full. We don't want to put any more in there than that. Now to the 4 Zerk fittings, 1 on each bolt in the back. Again, just a couple pumps each one, and you'll see just a little bit of the grease come out at the red body to the silver bracket. As you can see, all of them now have been greased. Just a little bit of the grease starting to come out of the valve body itself, which is exactly where we want it. And then we have that all done. We're going to do one final wipe down to get rid of any extra excess grease that can capture more road grime and debris. Overall, just keep everything nice and clean and in good shape. The grease needs to be inside, not on the outside, so it's okay to wipe off all the excess. Front assembly has 6 fittings. The rear assembly has 5. It's a slightly different design. And let's not forget that we also need to do the bolt for the back and the very front of the leaf springs themselves. So you're going to find one of these single bolts at the very rear of the back axle and at the very front of the front axle. And with that last bolt, we've completed the maintenance. And as a reminder, this should be done every 3,000 miles.
something a little different this time with Anubis. Since he's been having so much car sickness, we want to let him be able to roam free a little bit more and see if that helps at all. I'm gonna sit in the back with him. And we only have a 2-hour drive, so we figure it's maybe good to try it on this short or shorter travel day. Wish us luck, y'all. Wish us luck.
I need you to watch me get out of here because this turn is crazy.
It's a pretty tricky spot today that we have, and we need to navigate out of because of the turn out of this site. We want to make sure that we do it successfully. So we aren't, even though we're somewhat right facing, we won't be turning right. We'll be turning left, even though it would make more sense to be angling out towards the right, as you can see.